Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the error you were kicked from the session from BattlEye. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do, if you have Rockstar Games Launcher or Epic Games Launcher open, go ahead and simply, once you open a Rockstar Games Launcher or Epic Games Launcher, wherever you have GT installed from, just go ahead and go over to the Task Manager. You want to go ahead and go to the search bar, hit Task Manager, and you want to just basically look for the two apps. So you want to look for mainly Rockstar Games Launcher. Once you find it, go ahead and right click on it and hit Add Task. But if you can't find it, you might need to scroll down, or you could just type it in here. Now once that's done, it basically forcefully closes Rockstar Games Launcher. You can go ahead and open it up again, and then you can either try opening it up GTA, or you can just simply restart your PC, because doing either of these will fix the issue. Now once you do that, you guys are good to go, and that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.